and we will discuss pipes in today's lecture. We can connect processes using the pipe operator. A process is a program in execution. Likewise, we have n number of processes which are running in the system, and we also executed PS command to know the status of the process. So likewise, we have multiple processes in the system. All the processes are connected in the sense that each and every process will communicate. If they are connected in the sense, they have to communicate with each other. And we can connect the processes using the pipe operator. In Linux, we are using this pipe operator, which is similar to that of Windows command prompt, that is in case of MS-DOS. But unlike MS-DOS, the processes that are connected by using the pipe operator can run simultaneously and are automatically rescheduled when there is a data flow occurs in the pipe. As a simple example, I would like to discuss about the start command to start the output of the PS command. That means when a PS command is executed, it shows the list of process IDs. I would like to start the list of process IDs which was displayed by PS command. So if that is the case, now look into the terminal. So this is the output of the PS command. If a system is installed with Linux operating system, you may observe more than 2 processes with some process IDs. Fortunately, those process IDs may or may not be in some sorting order, but I want to make the process IDs to display in some sorting order. If I want to do that, so I would like to apply PS command by writing the output of this PS command in some file. I will give FIL or I will give F1. So PS, I'm redirecting the output of the PS command to F1. Enter. So it was redirected now. Now I'm going to use start command space F1. Supply start on this particular file, and I would like to write it into the same file, or you may be written into the different file. Before going to apply start command, I will show you the output of F1 here. So that is the output here. So these are the 2 process IDs that was written into the particular file F1. So now I'm applying start F1. Now greater than, I would like to write the same information into F1. So you'll see whether it will display the output in the sorted order or not. Cat F1. So if I want to see the content. So if you observe, it was not written. So now I would like to perform the PS command once again. That means I have applied the output of the PS command into, I have written the content into file F1, and I am sorting the content with the help of sort command in file F1, and I would like to write the content into some other file F2. Okay. So now I'm pressing enter. Now I'll see cat F1, so it shows the output here, and cat F2, so it shows the output. But if you observe, I need to write 2 lines if I want to perform sorting of the output of the PS command. So to overcome this kind of problem, then here it is only sort and PS command. If you want to use more than 2 commands, so it is not possible always to write the commands in each and every line after performing each and every task. So I'm going to use pipe operator. That means instead of writing these two lines here, I'm going to use the pipe operator. So with the help of the pipe operator, I can write it in a simple way. That means, and I'm going to show you, if I don't use pipe operator, I need to use these two lines. That is PS greater than some file name and SAT, that particular file name greater than some output file name. But if I use pipe, I can change this in a single line. I can change the two lines of code into a single line. I can modify it like this. That is PS pipe operator SAT greater than file name. I can connect processes. Here, processes in the sense, don't think that I'm using PS command so that I'm saying processes. It is not. Here, I'm using the statement called connecting processes with the help of pipe operator. Means that PS command is executed by one process and SAT command is executed by another process. And I want to connect these two processes so that by assuming the PS command as executed by process A and assume SAT command is executed by process B. So I want to connect process A and process B so that process B will get the data from process A and it will sort the data and it will write the information into some particular file. So if I want to do that, then I have to use this pipe operator. So now I'm going to execute this particular line now in the terminal. So I have used F1 and F2 files here. So PS pipe operator space. Then I would like to apply the SAT command. That means the output of this PS command will be given to the SAT command. Then I'm going to write the output of this particular SAT command of the PS data into some particular file. File 3 I'm going to say now. Now file 3 F3 is not available, so it is going to create a file and it will write the content. So now I will show cat file 3. So this is cat file 3 here now. That means it is executing PS command followed by SAT command greater than file 3 means it is going to write the SATed output of the PS command into the particular file. There is no limit. That means here I have used PS pipe operator SAT. So, and we don't have a limit that we have to use pipe operator for these many number of commands only. It is not the case. So, there is no limit to the permissible number of connected processes. We can connect any number of processes. Suppose if I want to see all the different process names, that are running in the system, excluding the shell. That means the processes are running the shell programs, the process may run some commands, the process may run some applications, etc. But other than the processes that are running the shell, I would like to know what are the other process names. So for that, I would like to type the command here. So just look into the command here. PS-XO space COMM. Then I already specified that there is no limit for pipe operator. Now I'm connecting this pipe operator with some other command. Then again I'm connecting with some other command. Then again I'm connecting with some other process that is running a grep command now. Means here -vsh means other than the shells. I would like to know what are the process names. That are running excluding the shell. So that is grep-vsh means excluding the shell. I would like to know what are all the processes, so which are unique and it is in sorted order. So now I'm going to show this with the help of more command. Want to see the paginated output on the screen, then connect the third process with more command, that is a PS SAT pipe operator more, and there is no limit for permissible number of connected processes. And so we can see all the different process names that are running excluding shell with the help of the command ps hyphen expo space some command name comm start pipe with the bellhop pipe operator I have separated. Then again I have used pipe operator followed by unique command, then pipe operator, then grep command with hyphen v space sh, pipe operator more.